Here's Ruthie trying to take a little nap aboard Jabulani
Express.
Just left Atlantic City on our way to Cape May. Sailing along.
There's our position on the charts.
Doing great. Here's Luke. He's been chatting to our friends aboard the Audax. Met them on the dock in Atlantic City. He's show us the radio, Luke. Here's the radio. We've been chatting to them on channel 68. And we're still standing by on that channel in case they want to chat to us again. So let's down below.
So that's down below. How about taking a tour up board, hey Mom?
Up on deck. Let's go.
Let's stay down here and watch the channel.
Here's Philip manning that helm on a breezy day. It's got the tiller chained up so Jabulani can really sail herself today. What's the wind like, dear?
Let's have a look. Why don't you get our friends while we have a look at the wind?
There's our friends aboard the Audax. Luke was chatting to them on the radio, as we said. And there's Philip checking the wind speed.
14 knots.
14 knots. Sails are looking good and we're at 17 knots. Breezy day.